Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 29 how to explore on your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then on the left hand side navigation on your screen, click on Explore, and then we are able to see all the news taking place across the world. So we are instantly given for you. We can move to news, sports, fun, entertainment, and also search for hashtags or any other topic you require to. Go back to your profile, quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.